I would like to be very quick as much as possible. So, yeah, in the IPCC 6th assessment cycle, working group 1, we as a team worked in this cycle and prepared an interactive atlas. So this interactive atlas has two parts. One is in the written part, and another one is online. So you go online and you can see different results. The basic purpose of this interactive atlas, so because the assessment is a big document and it's really hard for anyone to read it. So here, with this interactive tool, uh, different kind of audience, both academician, students, and decision makers can go online and see what different kind of results for their own particular region. So this is the outline of the entire report, and the last three chapters are on the regional level. So this is team from all around the world. So we've been working together to produce this. As I mentioned, we have divided the whole globe into 46 land regions and 12 ocean regions. In addition to that, there are monsoon regions, small islands, and working group 2 continental regions, and major river basins. So in all these regions, you can go and see different kind of variables, which I will show you. So this has three main components. One is the simple version, another one is the advanced version, and the third one is the regional synthesis. And other part is regarding the documentation of the atlas. So here I want to show these the climatic impact drivers which been assessed in the this current assessment cycle. So this purple color shows the confidence level. So the dark purple color shows that we are very sure and this high confidence that this will going to happen. So you can see on all the coast related variables, which been sea level rise, sea surface temperature, marine heat waves, such kind of all kind of variables have a lot of confidence in all regions, and this is going to be happen in future. So here you can compare different results for different regions on one platform, and you can see the level of confidence for different variables. Here, this is the regional synthesis, and which shows which region is going to, which variables is behaving like wet for what time frame. So as I mentioned, there are plenty of variables, atmospheric, oceanic, and other variables, and some derived variables like hot degree days, cold degree days, and frost days, maximum temperature, minimum. We can get all of them all together and compare with each other. By increasing the one variable, and we can see the behavior of others as well. So these all variables are for different IPCC scenarios, which are socioeconomic pathways. So the SSP 8.5 is the warmest one, and the SSP 1, okay, is the and there's a middle and low emission scenarios. So we can compare all of them for our own region and create tables. We can make some timelines. the data sets of climate model intercomparison projects, which is 6 cycle, is also here. The CMIP 5 data is also there. Codex data is there. Aphrodite data, crew data, all different kind of observed and model data sets are provided there, and we can see different level of warming levels for example, what the world will look like and what our region, our coastal region in Arabian Sea will look like under different warming scenarios. And not only this, we can see it for different time periods. For example, near term, medium term, and long term, and relative to different baselines. The baseline of pre-industrial and the latest baseline as well. So this is the one of the example of showing how the temperature is changing in over South Asia region in near-term basis. There are also a few regions which have been identified as the ocean biomes. So our Arabian Sea, few regions in ocean which are ecologically very active. So our Arabian Sea also falls under those regions. So that region, I have few results for that. So you can see for different months, and under the x-axis you can see the different
Mr.
years.
Amjad, may I request you kindly, please? We have already sort of short on time.
So this is the time series, and this is sea level rise for our region, which is already mentioned by Irfan Saab, that we will be like 0.7 meters by the end of this century. This is the regional synthesis we can produce using the interactive tool, and these are different sets of variable for different regions. And if you want to do something by more yourself, there's a repository online on GitHub, so you can go there and produce different kind of results, and also the scripts are also given, so which will be very useful for the students. Thank you so much.